Welcome to FiberMall's 400G OSFP flat top to OSFP flat top DAC product video. The 400G OSFP flat top to OSFP flat top DAC can transmit up to 3M reach and built-in EEPROM functions. Both ends of this cable are OSFP flat top modules dedicated to NIC slots. Minimum bending radius up to 35 millimeters for flexible deployments. Effortlessly connect two NICs using a high-performance 400G OSFP flat top to OSFP flat top DAC for reliable, high-speed data transfer. Insert the module into the NICs. Green light indicates successful connection. After successful connection, you can check the module information and NIC connection status through commands. .400G OSFP flat top to OSFP flat top DAC assemblies are high performance, high bandwidth, and cost-effective interconnect solutions which support 400G standards with different data rate applications. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com.